Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate Venmo on your phone for contactless payments, follow these step-by-step instructions to enable tap-to-pay functionality. Step 1. Download the Venmo app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already installed it. Step 2. Open the Venmo app and log into your account using your email and password, or create a new account if needed. Step 3. Once logged in, tap on the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. Step 4. Navigate to Settings and look for the Payment Methods or Venmo Card section. Step 5. If you have a Venmo debit card, ensure it is activated by following the in-app instructions. If you don't have one, you can apply for a Venmo debit card directly through the app. Step 6. To enable contactless payments, go to your phone's settings and ensure NFC is turned on. On iPhone, this is enabled by default. On Android, go to Settings, then Connections or Wireless and Networks, and toggle on NFC. Step 7. Return to the Venmo app and add your Venmo debit card to your phone's mobile wallet, such as Apple Pay or Google Pay. Step 8. Follow the prompts to verify your card by entering a verification code sent via text or email. Step 9. Once verified, your Venmo card is ready for contactless payments at any NFC-enabled terminal. Step 10. To pay, simply hold your phone near the contactless reader and authenticate using your fingerprint, face recognition, or PIN. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.